Somewhere on Earth, right now, a machine is learning 10,000 times faster than any human in history. It never sleeps. It never forgets. And in the last 48 hours, it got smarter than all of humanity combined. Or in 1956, a group of scientists asked one crazy question: can machines think? For 60 years, the answer was basically no. Then came the 2020s. Data exploded. Chips got God tier. And everything changed overnight. Today, AI can write novels that fool publishers, compose symphonies better than Mozart, diagnose cancers doctors miss, and drive cars across continents. But OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and a mysterious new player called xAI aren't stopping there. They're racing for artificial superintelligence, a mind that doesn't just match humans. It leaves us in the dust in every single domain. Here's what nobody wants to say out loud. When the first superintelligence wakes up, it will make decisions in milliseconds that humans need years to understand. One misalignment, and it could rewrite the global economy overnight, rewrite laws, or decide humanity is no longer necessary. We are no longer the smartest species on Earth. We are the ones building our replacement. The race to artificial superintelligence is no longer science fiction. It's happening in labs you've never heard of. Right now. The only real question left: will we still be in control when the last line of code is written? If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe this channel.